Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this video we're going to be talking about how to install Elden Ring Convergence mod, which is very easy. So guys, in your search bar, just type in Nexus Mods and go to the websites. I'm going to walk you through the entire process. So you go to this website. It's the best website for modding your games. I've been using it for years. Now guys, of course, to also download the mods themselves, make sure that you're logged in. I'm just on my dummy browser where I'm not logged in. So before you do, just log in into your account. If you don't have one, register for one. It's very, very easy. After that, guys, press on the search and type in Elden Ring. There you go. And this way you will be taken to this section with Elden Ring mods. Right. And now in here, as you can see now that we are in the Elden Ring, you just you can either choose to find the mod by popular, for example. It should appear somewhere here. Is it here? Yeah, as you can see, the Convergence. So it's one of the most popular mods. So you just go to this page. And guys, you can read the description. There's a big description, as you can see. You can also follow their social media if that's something you desire. But in general, guys, the installation should be very easy. You go to the Files tab and just press on the Convergence ER downloader. So press on a manual download. So as you can see, you will have to you'll need to have Shadow of the Earth Tree. This is the DLC. Now press on download. Just like I said, you will need to be logged in to do this. So let me just download the mod. Okay, so this is our mod. Start download. As you can see, the download speed is capped, unfortunately. You can pay for the premium subscription on the Nexus mods to increase the download speed, but for now, let us wait for the mod to be downloaded. Okay guys, the download is now complete. So you can see this is the executable file. That means that this mod will be automatically installed, which is very handy. So let us just press open. And guys, you just need to do very simple steps. As you can see, you have instructions. Do not install the mod into the game directory. Alright guys, so as said, you do not need to install this mod into the game's directory. Instead, just create any folder on any of your drives and just unpack your mod into there. So as you can see, I just created a dummy folder on my desktop, and to this new folder 2, I will extract the containments of this mod. So let me do that really quickly. Okay, now as you can see, I have chosen my folder, download and extract. Should be very quick. So as you can see, it's going to download the archive and then unzip it. Let us wait for that. Okay guys, as you can see, it's now ready. It took actually a bit of time. I've had to wait for like 10 or 15 minutes. I'm guessing the mod weighs a lot or something. So as you can see, installation successful. Press OK. So you can pretty much close this now because the installation is successful. And let us check how much it weighs. Oh, it's almost 8 gigs, so that's why it was so long. So guys, as you can see now, you will get these files. And guys, you just need to do a very simple thing. So you just press on start convergence.bat, and this is pretty much done. This is as easy as it gets. So after launching this file, so don't launch the launcher exe file. Launch this start underscore convergence.bat. It will actually launch your game, your client, and then you will be able to easily play this modification. Just make sure that to understand that it weighs a lot, kind of almost 8 gigs. So you're going to have to wait a little bit for it to download. But in general, as you can see, it's very simple installation. And now you can easily play the game. Guys, enjoy. Hopefully this helped you. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.